Hi there, I'm Matt.
Kevin here.
And today is Packing Day. We are just a couple weeks out from doing the first 4 segments of the Colorado Trail. So we're taking the opportunity to really go through all of our gear and weigh it out and decide what we need, what we want. And then after weighing, probably taking some stuff out and saying, we don't need that. We're really excited to kind of share with you individually what we have packed. I came in at a total of 34.4 pounds.
That's right, and I came in at 35.6.
So who wants to go first?
I'll play for it. I guess I'm going first. Let's do it. I'm gonna walk you through everything I'm taking on the Colorado Trail. I'm gonna start with worn gear, so the stuff that's on my body. I've got my shoes, pair of underwear, skull cap, baseball cap, socks, shirt, shorts. I've got a buff, and I've got my gaiters to fit around my ankles so I don't get dust in the shoes. I've got my poles with camera attachment. I've got my Crocs as well for at camp. This is an Ursack food bag. All of our meals in it. We spilled over a little bit, and I have this. So these are our breakfasts as we eat food. Obviously everything's easily gonna fit in here. I've got my sleeping bag, my air mattress. This bag is actually holding my clothes. If I turn this bag inside out, it's got a fleece liner that I can lay my head on that's nice and soft. Gloves, waterproof shells as well. I've got my Nano Puff, Frog Tog rain top with hood, backup underwear, 125 base layer top, extra pair of socks. There's another pair of underwear, 120 or 125 thermal base layer for my pants, a warm fleece lined beanie for my bald head. This is a 1-pound chair. I'm in debate whether I'm gonna take it or not, but I'm gonna show it to you. It definitely fits on the bag. It's just whether or not I wanna carry the extra pound. Super comfy, we'll see. Tent poles, tent stakes and guy lines for the fly, our water bladders and water filter, my water bottles, 2, paracord with carabiners for the bear bag hanging kit. I've also got my titanium coffee mug because I have to have my coffee. Headlamp, suntan lotion, SPF protection for the lips, poop trowel, and toilet paper. Minimal wallet just to fit my driver's license, a little bit of cash in. First aid kit, so this has everything that we think we're gonna need in here. Ibuprofen, acetaminophen, antihistamines, antidiarrheal, a couple bandages, band-aids, liquid skin, some blister gels in case we have any blistering going on. This particular ditty bag, I have electronics. Power bank with cords for my watch and for my phone. That's everything in this ditty bag. These are Dyneema, so they're really water repellent, and I feel comfortable with my gear in them, not getting wet. In the other ditty bag, I have the rest of the TP, towel, my toiletries bag, a small stick of deodorant, a small stick of Body Glide to avoid chafing. I've got toothpaste pellets, wilderness wash in case I need to scrub up in a river. I have Jungle Juice insect repellent, and I have broken a toothbrush in half for my toothbrush, and I've got a couple sticks of floss. So that's everything that I'm gonna have with me, 35.6 pounds.
Okay, now 34.4 pounds in my bag. And so we've split some stuff up. He's carrying the bulk of the food. I'm carrying the bulk of the tech, cameras, batteries, etc. So as we go down the trail, we'll be kind of divvying that up so we get a nice balance. But just to kind of go through a little bit, we've got gaiters, a buff, hoodie sun shirt. That with my shorts will be basically my base layer with my wool socks and underwear, of course. Crocs, trekking poles mounted with a GoPro Hero Black 11. Nano Puff jacket, which self-encloses, which is really nice. So going into this bag here, awesome rain jacket, super light, super durable, super excited. This nice light little warm hoodie fleece. Rain pants, extra pair of socks, and then extra pair of underwear. Thermal top, again, in case it gets a little chilly and I need just that little extra layer. A beanie as well. I'll be carrying Kevin's cool liner. So I'll be carrying both of our liners, air mat, quilt, an inflatable, super comfy, super light pillow. The tent, I've got our cook pot I've got our stove inside the cook pot, our 2 long Sea to Summit spoons, and then 2 thermal bags. We also have our little mini Bic lighter as well. Coffee cup, of course, because we need the caffeine. My toothbrush with also my toothpaste tablets. A sunscreen stick, towel, a little deodorant, a little bit of laundry wash, which I'm debating whether or not I'm taking or not. 2 bottles of water. And then moving on to tech, Garmin GPS. My headlamp, of course, gonna need that. GoPro and different GoPro attachment accessories for hanging on trees, for mounting on the ground, 6 batteries, and then I also have plenty of micro SD cards. DJI mics, the fact that this recharges them every time you put them in there, gives you several charges, is super handy to have. 3 battery banks. I can slide my SD cards into this device and then transfer through my phone with my SSD plugged in here and organize and get all my stuff nice and backed up. The Mavic Pro itself, controller. 1 battery is in the drone, and then I have 2 backup batteries. Each battery should give us about 45 minutes of flight time. 3 battery charger, ND filters for our camera depending on the light that we have while we're flying. A backup of blades just in case. There you have it, that's 34.4 pounds in my bag. Super excited to get on the trail.
There might be a couple things that come in or out of the bag, but I would say this is a really, really accurate representation of what we're gonna be taking on the trail this year.
We're really excited to go on the trip and capture lots of amazing footage and share that video with you coming up a little bit later. So stay tuned for that. Also, please hit that like button, share, subscribe, leave comments. We love to hear feedback and we love to have a constant communication with everyone. So with that being said, as always, keep adventuring.